Hello, it's Mike. If Microsoft Office is playing up and you need to run a repair, this is how you do it. So first search for add or remove programs, there we go. And once your list loads up, search for Microsoft. Spell it right, it might help. And you'll see 365 apps appears. Click on modify, click yes, and then go for the online repair because that fixes more issues. It takes a little longer, but it usually does the job. Click repair, it'll come up with a box. Click repair again, and then that will run through. Usually takes between 10 and 20 minutes for it to complete, and it usually fixes all Office issues. If Teams is not working, once you've run the repair, log out of Windows and log back in, and it should be there working for you. Thanks for watching, give us a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.